Welcome back to another episode from Simply Awesome Planet. Let's take a moment to appreciate one of the planet's most important and fascinating animals, bees. These small, buzzing creatures are often overlooked, but their role in our world is absolutely vital. Despite their tiny size, bees have an enormous impact on our food supply and the health of our environment. Their daily work goes far beyond making honey. Every time you bite into an apple, savor a handful of blueberries, or snack on almonds, you're tasting the results of bees' tireless efforts. They're responsible for pollinating many of the foods we love. In fact, bees pollinate about 1 in every 3 bites of food we eat. Without them, our plates would look much emptier and far less colorful. Their pollination work keeps our meals not only diverse, but also packed with essential nutrients. Imagine a world without the variety of fruits and vegetables we enjoy today. As bees move from flower to flower collecting nectar, they also transfer pollen. This simple act helps plants produce the fruits, nuts and seeds that sustain us and countless other creatures. This ancient partnership between bees and plants has shaped entire ecosystems and supported biodiversity for millions of years, creating the vibrant landscapes we see today. Bees are what scientists call a keystone species. Without them, entire ecosystems could unravel, affecting not just plants but animals and humans as well. So, next time you enjoy a juicy strawberry or a crisp apple, take a moment to remember the tiny hero behind it all, the humble bee. Our plates and the health of our planet truly depend on bees. By protecting them, we're also protecting our own future and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Here's the tough truth. Right now, a crisis is unfolding quietly, right in our own backyards and fields. Bees in the US are in serious trouble, and their struggle often goes unnoticed by most of us. Every year, beekeepers are losing hives at alarming rates. Sometimes half or more of their colonies disappear, threatening not just their livelihoods, but the very foundation of our food system. Habitat loss is a major culprit. As cities expand and vast fields are planted with only one crop, bees are left hungry and homeless, with fewer wildflowers and safe places to thrive. Pesticides, especially neonicotinoids, are another invisible threat. These chemicals poison bees, disrupt their ability to navigate, and make it harder for them to find their way back to the hive, or even survive at all. On top of that, diseases and parasites like the varroa mite invade hives, spreading illness and further weakening already vulnerable colonies. Climate change adds yet another layer of difficulty, throwing off the timing of blooms and seasons, so bees often emerge to find no food waiting for them when they need it most. All these threats combine, creating a perfect storm that puts bees and the food we depend on at serious risk. If we don't act soon, our fields and gardens could fall silent, with fewer flowers, fruits and vegetables for everyone. The crisis is real, but there is hope. It's not too late to help. By planting wildflowers, reducing pesticide use and supporting local beekeepers, we can all make a difference. Protecting bees means protecting our future, our food, and the natural beauty that surrounds us all. To protect bees, we must first appreciate just how extraordinary these tiny creatures truly are. Their world is full of complex behaviors and fascinating secrets that often go unnoticed by most of us. We need to understand their remarkable lives, from the way they build intricate hives to their essential role in pollination. Every bee has a job, and together they form a superorganism that keeps nature in balance. A single honeybee colony can have up to 60,000 bees, all working together in perfect harmony. Each bee, whether worker, drone, or queen, has a specific role that supports the entire colony's survival. The queen lays thousands of eggs, ensuring the next generation, while worker bees tirelessly forage for nectar and pollen, keeping the hive fed and healthy. They communicate through a unique waggle dance, a sophisticated language of movement and vibration. This dance tells others exactly where to find food, an incredible example of animal communication that scientists are still working to fully decode. The US is home to thousands of bee species, including solitary bees like mason bees, leafcutter bees and sweat bees, each with their own unique habits and habitats. Bumblebees, with their fuzzy bodies, are also vital pollinators, especially in cooler climates, and for certain crops that honeybees can't pollinate as efficiently. These native bees often outperform honeybees for certain crops, making them essential partners in agriculture and wild plant reproduction. Producing just 1 pound of honey requires millions of flower visits, a testament to their relentless work ethic and the interconnectedness of all living things. Their tireless work sustains our food supply and supports wild ecosystems, making bees indispensable to life as we know it. Bees' dedication is a powerful reminder of how much we rely on them, and why their protection is vital for our planet's future. The good news? We can all help bees thrive. Plant native wildflowers in your yard, patio, or window box to provide food year-round. Let parts of your lawn grow wild. Clover and dandelions are bee favorites. Avoid pesticides and choose organic gardening methods to keep bees safe. Support local beekeepers by buying raw honey and organic produce. Farmers who use bee-friendly practices create safe havens for pollinators. Educate your friends and family about the importance of bees. Advocate for more green spaces and pollinator-friendly policies in your community. Every small action adds up to a big difference. Together, we can be heroes for bees. What if bees disappeared? Our world would be less colorful, less delicious, and less secure. Many fruits, nuts, and vegetables would become rare and expensive. Our diets would shrink to mostly wind-pollinated crops like wheat and rice. Farmers would struggle, food prices would soar, and jobs would be lost. The environment would suffer. Without bees, wild plants and animals would decline. Biodiversity would unravel, threatening entire ecosystems. This isn't a distant problem, it's happening now. Protecting bees means safeguarding our food, economy, and planet. The choices we make today will decide if bees and their buzz survive. Let's act now to ensure a vibrant, healthy future for all. Thanks for watching Simply Awesome Planet, and please like, and most importantly, share this video to increase awareness. Until next time, folks.